This week on Motorcar History, we take a look at the unusual Frisky Meadows sports car. This unusual sports car was designed and built in England with various body types. Let's take a look around and find out some more on motorcar history. Henry Meadows Vehicles Limited began manufacturing automobiles in Wolverhampton in 1957. By 1958, the company was renamed Frisky Cars Limited. In 1961 and in 1963, it was renamed Frisky Spares and Services Limited. Production stopped for a brief while in 1964. They built small cars. These were air-cooled, 5-glass bodies, and only 5 to 6 feet long, so slightly bigger than a microcar, so-called mini cars. These were available new for only £500. The first prototype vehicle, nicknamed the Bug, was built in 1956. The first production models began in 1957. This was a small coupe with the same design for the bodywork was allocated to Giovanni Michelotti in Italy. The first design had unusual gull-wing doors like the first prototype vehicle. These were soon replaced by more conventional doors, albeit in the reverse suicide type format. These first cars had a 2-cylinder engine in the rear. This was from Villas with a 324cc displacement and around 16 horsepower. Between 1957 and 1958 there was also the sport model, with 15 to 18 horsepower as the coupe and an open 2-seater. 1958-59 Sprint again was fiberglass body, featured a 492cc Excelsior 3-cylinder engine. It's now produced 30 to 34 horsepower and was only available as an open top 2-seater. The Frisky Sprint prototype sports racing car built at the Meadows factory as shown here. It featured 2 bucket seats and the larger 3-cylinder air-cooled 492cc Excelsior engine. As with the usual changes with the company, in late 1959 the company was now called Frisky Cars Limited. The Frisky Family 3 was improved with a more modern version strut front suspension system to improve handling. The engine was relocated with also improvements to the reverse gear. The open Frisky Sport with engine options of 250cc or a larger 328cc also came from Excelsior. The Frisky Coupe also went into production alongside 2 other models, Frisky Family 3 and the Frisky Sprint. The Family 3 model, a 3-wheel car with a single wheel at the rear. The air-cooled 2-stroke engine was mounted in mid-engine design behind the front seats and in front of the rear wheel. These came fitted with smaller Excelsior and Villas single and twin-cylinder engines with only 197cc and 240cc displacement. They all came fitted with a manual 4-speed gearbox. These small cars could also be driven in the UK with a motorcycle licence at the time. By 1960 the Prince model had larger engines with 324cc and 328cc displacement, but still only up to 15 horsepower. Basically this was a Family 3 with more conventional doors. But now by the early 1960s, the more conventional built small cars such as the Mini and the popular Fiat 500, put a final end to the production of these unusual British cars. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Motor Car History.